Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School online education. I am glad to welcome all my dear students to the new session of mathematics. My dear students, we are going to start our day with a meaningful thought. Knowledge will bring you opportunity to make a difference. What does it mean by? Knowledge provides you the vision to find out what is good and what is bad. So, keep learning, my dear students. Now, we are going to start today's lecture. Again, how are you all? You all are fine? Very good. You all prepare with whole revision? Yes or no? Maybe yes, na? You all are doing revision well, na? Very nice. Before we start, everyone sit straight. Make your back straight. Very good. Now, take the book, pencil, pen, everything with you because we are going to make revision for the examination of Essay 1. And yes, you all have to write with me. You all have to note down the given revision in your book with me. Okay? So, first of all, write the date and day in this corner. My dear students, I repeat this again and again so that you all can feel that you all are sitting in a classroom. You all have to write and copy with me as you all are sitting in a classroom. I am going to detect you on the same way how we are writing in the classroom. Okay? So feel like that and start with date and day. Completed? Everyone note down today's date and day. After that, write the heading Revision Essay 1. As we are going to make revision for the examination of Essay 1. Before we start, let me inform you with the paper style. Question 1 is fill in the blanks. Question 2 is write number name. For this, you have to prepare number names 51 to 100. If you remember, we already completed this. Write between numbers. Add the following. Subtract the following. Problem sums. Complete the table. For this, you have to prepare tables 1 to 5. If you remember, we already have completed the revision of fill in the blanks. Write the number name 51 to 100. Write between numbers and add the following. Check in your book. If you have not completed this, then try to complete it as soon as possible with the help of given PDF. I have already sent the PDF regarding this in the WhatsApp group. So, I hope you all have prepared well. So, question number 1, question number 2, question 3 and question 4 we already completed. Today we are going to make revision of question number 5. Subtract the following. Write the heading, everyone. Subtract the following. SUBTRACT. Subtract. TH the. FOLLOWING. Following. Subtract the following. Tell me, my dear students, what is subtraction? Who knows this, as we already have completed this chapter, previous chapter number 3, subtraction. Now, who remember that what is subtraction or how to make subtraction? Let's see the answer. In maths, to subtract means to take away from a group or a number of things. In the subtraction problem, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. The number 7 is the minute. The number 3 is the subtrahend, and the number 4 is the difference. This is called difference. We can say 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Look, this is the sign of subtraction, minus. Okay? Again, I would like to repeat, in maths, to subtract means to take away from a group or a number of things. Okay? So, you all are ready for writing work? Very good. Note down the sum 8 minus 5. You are having square line book same like this. So, how you have to write? 8 minus 5. Make a sign of subtraction in another box. Write neatly and cleanly. Okay? Everyone note down the sum. Now see, how can we solve this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These objects are 8 in numbers. 8 minus 5. Now, what I have told you, what is the meaning of subtraction? To take away or remove from the group. So, here we have to cross out 5 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see, my dear students, how many objects are remaining there? 1, 2, 3. There remains 3 objects, which means we have to write 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Everyone note down the answer properly in your book. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay? You have to copy just sum. You should not draw all these things. Yes, if you are not able to understand or solve the sum without taking help of objects, you can draw. That's not any problem. Okay, my dear? Ready to write the next sum? Four minus 2. Next sum is 4 minus 2. Everyone note down this in your book. Make sure that you have to write the numbers on its proper place. Okay. Now here we are going to solve it. What is the sum? It is 4 minus 2. Means we need 4 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2 means take away or remove 2. 1, 2. Now see how many objects are remaining there. There remains 1 and 2. 4 minus 2, we get 2. Everyone copy the answer in your book. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. You all are writing with me now. That's why I am speaking very slowly, so that all the students can copy the work from this colorful board. Our sum is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay? Write the next sum. 9 minus 8. The sum is 9 minus 8. Let's see how can we solve this. As our sum is 9 minus 8, that means we need 9 objects. Okay? So you all are ready to count with me? Here we are going to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have 9 objects. So now what should we do? Think in your mind, if our sum is 9 minus 8, how can we solve this? We have to take away or remove 8 objects out of this given 9 objects. So you all are ready to make counting? Here we are going to start. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have crossed out 8 objects. So, what will be the answer? Think in your mind. See, how many objects are remaining here? Here remains 1 object. Means this is our answer. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Everyone copy this answer in your book. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. This is for your understanding. My dear students, if you are not able to count without taking help, you can also draw the objects and as well as cross out that objects, so that you all can understand the sums well. So, ready to write the next sum? Here we are going to start our next sum. 13 minus 2. Look my dear students, here we are having 2-digit number. If you remember, we make subtraction of single digit from double digit. Who remembers this? If not remember, then here we are going to make revision for the same. 13 minus 2. Pardon me. So, write the numbers on its proper place. Number 1 at tens place, 3 at ones place. And make sure that you have to write number 2 at ones place only. You should not write in this box. This box should be empty. Okay, 13 minus 2. Now whenever we are going to make subtraction of double digit number, that which should we remind? How can we solve this sum? Who remembers this? We have to start solving from ones column only. First of all, we have to solve ones column. Here we have 3 minus 2 at ones place. So first of all, we need 3 objects to solve this. 1, 2 and 3. Minus 2 means we have to cross out or remove 2. 1 and 2. Now see, my dear students, how many objects are remaining there? 3 minus 2, there remains only 1. Write down number 1 at ones place, just below number 2. 3 minus 2, we get 1. Now move towards tens column. 1 minus, this box is empty. What does it means by? It means here we don't have any number. So we have to write the given number in this box. 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. My dear students, write down this sum properly in your book. Make sure that you have to write numbers on its proper place. 1, 3, 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. Is everyone copied? You all are enjoying? Very good. You all are drawing this? That's also nice. Write the next sum. 18 minus 5. 1, 8, 18 minus 5. Write the numbers on its proper place, okay? 1 at tens place, 8 at ones place. Minus 5. Make sure, my dear, that you have to write just below number 8 at ones place, okay? Now, first of all, we are going to solve ones column. There is 8 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 objects. Out of these 8 objects, we have to remove or cross out 5, as we have to solve 8 minus 5. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have crossed out. Now tell me, what will be the answer? The remaining objects are our answer. It is 1, 2, 3. 8 minus 5, we get 3. Everyone note down the answer in your book. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. After solving tens column, let's move towards after solving ones column, let's move towards tens. There is number 1 alone. We don't have any number below number 1. So what does it means by? The number itself will be the answer. Means we have to write number 1. 1, 8, 18 minus 5 is equal to 1, 3, 13. Everyone copy the answer properly. Write number 1 in tens column and number 3 in ones column. In mathematics, the position of the numbers are very important. So, while writing any of the sum, either addition, subtraction or multiplication, division, whatever you are doing, make sure that, my dear students, you have to write the numbers on its proper place. Okay? Write the next sum, 15 minus 2. 1 5 15 minus 2. First of all, we need 5 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 2 means cross out 2. 1, 2. Now see how many objects are remaining there. Count it. How many objects are there? There are 1, 2 and 3. That means 5 minus 2 we get 3. 1 is alone. So we have to write the same number in this box. 15 minus 2 is equal to 13. My dear students, let me remind you that right now we are making a revision of subtract the following. There are some more sums in this series, but right now we are going to make revision of complete the table. So in next lecture the topic continues and we will complete the topic subtract the following. Right now we are going to make revision of complete the table. Everyone note down the heading on a new page, complete the table. COMPLETE, complete, TABLE, table. Complete the table. You all have to copy with me, huh? Complete the table. In this series, first of all, we are going to make revision of complete the table of 1. Write down the heading table of 1. TABLE, table of 1. Copied? Very good. Now, first of all, we will write the table in this form only. After that, we fill these blanks. As today we are going to make revision in the form of complete the table. First of all, everyone write down 1 1 is equal to dash. Everyone copy this in your book. 1 1 is equal to dash. 1 2 is equal to dash. 1 3 is equal to dash. 1 4 is equal to dash. 1 5 is equal to dash. 1 6 is equal to dash. 1 7 is equal to dash. 1 8 is equal to dash. 1 9 is equal to dash. 1 10 is equal to dash. You all have to copy the table in this form. Okay? After writing the table, you have to leave this place. Done, everyone? Shall we start solving? Now tell me, what will be 1 1 It will be 1. 1 1 1. Everyone, fill the blank with number 1. 1 1 1. Then 1 2s are 2. Write down number 2 in this blank. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 4s are 4. 1 5s are 5. 1 6 are, it is 6. 1 7s are 7. 1 8s are 8. 1 9s are 9. 1 10s are 10. My dear students, this is the revision of complete the table of 1. I hope you all are writing with me and complete the work with me. So after completing table of 1, we are going to make revision of complete the table of 2. Write the heading TABLE, table of 2. Table of 2. Make sure that you have to write this on a new page, okay? Now, as we have done in table of 1, here also first of all we are going to write the whole table with the blanks. After that we fill up that blanks. So everyone write down 2 1s are is equal to dash. Write down in your book 2 1s are is equal to dash. 2 2s are is equal to dash. 2 3s are is equal to dash. 2 4s are is equal to dash. 2 5s are is equal to dash. 2 6s are is equal to dash. 2 7s are is equal to dash. 2 8s are is equal to dash. 2 9s are is equal to dash. 2 10s are is equal to dash. Okay, is everyone completing this? Everyone note down this table in your book. Here we are going to solve the blanks. So what comes here? 2 1s are 2. Everyone note down the answer. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. There comes 4. Fill the blank with number 4. 2 3s are 6. There come number 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. My dear students, here we complete the revision of complete the table of 2. I hope you all are writing with me and you all have completed the given writing work in your book. Now it's time to note down the homework. Write down the homework, complete the table 1 and 2 one time in your homework book. Make sure that you have to write with a very good handwriting, okay? At your home, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye bye everyone.